Hello, I'm making this video to show people how hilarious the game is since they had upgraded the sledgehammer. A bunch of people are taking it and I'm just using advantage of it. Just watch. This is me. So I knew this is the only guy with weapon, and this wasn't a bot, so I didn't care. And then I just don't give a shit. Just didn't hit me. I was like, I need heal. There we go. And then he tried to snipe me, but I did. And I just don't give a shit. And we won the game. The other dude killed the bot. Sledgehammer is hilarious. Thank you. By the way, please nerf this fucking shotgun. Thanks. Bye.